Hey guys, let's do that. So I'm sitting out here doing my work, working in the yard and moving wood and getting the place all ready for winter. And in rolls the black clouds and thunder and rain, though it's not raining right now. And so it was quick, stop what you're doing, put everything away, and get... Don't you love the sound of thunder? You know, we just do a video listening to thunder. That's all we need. Let's do that. Anyway, earlier this year, a friend was asking me, you know, if my ideal world, if I was in my absolute ideal world, everything I ever desired was here, what would that entail? And, you know, you just figure that out inside you. You don't have to say it out loud. But one of the things for me was sitting in the mountains, surrounded by Mother Nature, listening to listening to that. Oh, and you know, I'm here. I love, you know, telling you guys about things like that. I love seeing it. I love experiencing it. I love interacting with it. And when I get to take you guys along for the ride, that's even better, right? Oh, I love this. I just love it. Oh, I love where I am, right? You know, what's cool is the sound of the thunder and then all the birds too, as if there's nothing going on. You know, there was a lot of wind earlier, and then this little grumbly, rumbly clouds rolled in and it rained for a little bit. And that was all part of it, right? That was all part of what I thought when my friend asked me that question. So I'm asking you, if your ideal world, absolutely, now it's always going to change, but whatever arises right now for you, everything you've ever wanted, money, house, relationship, career, family relationship, that's so cool. If all of that was exactly how you dreamed it would be, how would you be different than you are right now? Right? When you wake up in the morning, how would you wake up differently? What kind of conversations with your friends and family would you be having that's different than what you're having now? You know? Oh, I love this. I love it so much. And so think about that. You don't have to get it right. It doesn't have to be effort. It just, you know, make it fun. Make it a delightful experience of, what would it, you know, how would I be thinking differently? What kind of internal conversations would I be having that would be different? Oh, life is just rocking, I tell you. Here comes the rain. So I invite you to tell me down below if you want, if you feel so moved. It might be general. your answer. It might be more specific, whatever. But I invite you to really play here. When you go to bed at night, really think on this. Embody it. Move into it. What kind of conversations would you be having differently with your family and your friends? What would they be saying to you differently than they say now? Again, how would your inner conversations be different? Play there. And then watch what happens. It's so much fun. Ding. Here comes the wind, too. I love this. So much fun. Wow. All right. Have a great day.